Let's start. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a concept bike that can't fall over. BMW's latest futuristic concept is motorbike that is both a digital companion and an analog experience. We've already seen a number of Vision 100 concepts from the BMW group this year, but this is the first two-wheeled vision of the brand's future. The Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a revolutionary bike design with a variety of clever features. Like the BMW, Mini and Rolls-Royce concepts revealed this year, the BMW Motorrad Bike has been built to mark the brand's centenary and to preview the next century of BMW design. It's just as radical to look at as the four-wheel concepts, with swoopy carbon fiber bodywork wrapped in a fabric skin draped across the frame. Execution is what qualified it for the honor. The MOTORRAD has won similar awards in the past. According to Yamaha, the bike has won an International Design Excellence Award and Red Dot Award, Design Concept 2018. With the IF Design Award, it would seem the high-end design crowd is pretty pleased with this thing. To be honest, it is impressive, but that doesn't mean it's not weird as hell. Yamaha says the MOTORRAD is designed for personal mobility in which the rider resonates harmoniously with the machine. Number 5. The Tron motorcycle bike is real and street legal. While not the smash hit Disney was hoping it would be, 2010's Tron Legacy did contain a few unforgettable components, including the iconic Tron light cycle. Brimming with futuristic allure, the speedy two-wheeler left luminous trails in its wake as it raced through a digital realm. So impressive was the Tron bike that a handful of custom fabricators set about bringing it to life. The most successful among them was Parker Brothers Concepts, who has no shortage of incredible achievements under its belt. The best part? The Tron motorcycle recreation is street legal, baby. Number 6. Akrapovic Full Moon Concept Motorcycle. Using the Bad Salzuflen custom bike show in Germany as a backdrop, the known exhaust manufacturer Akrapovic unveiled a new concept motorcycle, the Full Moon. The Full Moon was designed with Slovenian Dream Machine motorcycles. This same partnership produced the legendary Morsis in 2011. The promotional bike actually is a continuation of the Morsis story, but designed totally different to appeal to a different eye. Speaking of the Full Moon, Akrapovic says this concept machine was developed to avoid being categorized, and as such is a bike that belongs nowhere and everywhere, making it a unique motorcycle. The name comes from the huge aluminum and carbon 30-inch front wheel, which is completely visible, giving the impression of a full moon and making a huge statement of what this bike is about. Over 800 hours went into creating this superbly finished machine, which features an SNS knucklehead 1,524 cubic centimeters in Lake. even experienced drivers. Speeds between 2 and 3 miles per hour actually prove among the most challenging in terms of making sure a motorcycle stays upright, and Honda's leveraging lessons learned from its development of Asimo the robot and its UniCUB rideable scooter-like transport to make sure bikes can manage balancing themselves or assist human riders in keeping them level at those low speeds. Riding Assist converts the motorcycle's front fork from a standard geometry position to one more aggressively angled, which you might recognize as something closer to the geometry of a cruiser motorcycle designed for more leisurely speeds. The adjusted angle helps increase stability and is managed by a dedicated motor attached to the front wheel,